What's up, everybody? This is Bo. Today we want to bring in, this is a 170 wheelbase Sprinter, Mercedes Sprinter, four-wheel drive. Yeah, this is a 2021. Yeah, I did this a while ago. Now we want to upgrade. Okay, it's time to change a little thing. You know, when you take it out there and use it, and you find out, oh, what if we do this? What if we do that? So you always find something you want to change, right? Yep. So in this case, this one we're gonna it had the collapsible bunk bed before, bunk bed on top and bunk bed and the bed here, and then we can, you know, drop it down and hang it by the strap for the top bed. Now we want to convert it into a fixed bunk bed, so it's gonna be bunk bed here and then bed on the top fixed. So we can use that as a storage area when it's not in use, which is also a good idea. It's just not collapsible, which the kids love the bunk bed. And this one we also going to update the cabinet doors. We're gonna change it to IKEA cabinet doors, and the ceiling's gonna become white. And what else? Oh yeah, it had the Renogy all-in-one DC to DC and solar charger before, but it did not keep up with the demand. It was I think it was a 20 amp, I think. But anyways, it was an all-in-one unit, and it was not keeping up with the usage. It has a 400 amps, which is 4 barrel-borne batteries in here, but it always ran low on when we try to use induction stove or the AC. So we're changing it, updating it to Victrons. Now everything's gonna be Victron, even the Multiplus 3000 watt Victron, and now the DC to DC charger, and also the MPPT solar charge controller. It's all Victron, all Bluetooth system now. Make it much easier. So hopefully that will keep. And also we have a capability of charging from the outside, 80 amp per hour with the Victron Multiplus. So what else? Yeah, pretty much it. We just it's gonna look much better, with the new cabinet doors and new walls and everything. So we'll see how it goes, and I'll show you when it's done. I will touch up the last one. Okay, everybody, the paint is going down right now, going on right now. This color is the platinum white. It's not ultra pure white like the other one. So we wanted to kind of blend in with the gray cabinet face. So we'll see how it goes. I think it's gonna look nice. It's not too stand out, it kind of
goes with the rest of the color scheme.
Yeah, color scheme. Here you go. Okay. Nice. Perfect. Okay, everybody. As you can see, it looks so beautiful already, but the rain is coming and it got so cold right now. Whew. So let's pause it right here. I'll do it within the next couple days or maybe the weekend, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, please subscribe. Okay, that's it, everybody. As you can see, looks so beautiful already. It totally upgraded this van. So okay, the rain is coming for the next couple of days. I probably won't have time to do it. Let's wait until we get some sun. It is so cold right now. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Please don't forget subscribe and share my video. This is Bo. See you next time. Bye bye.